Winter is here, ऊपर से ही pollution, sore throats and cough. But Kofol syrup is here to help. Made with well-researched Ayurvedic herbs like Yeshti Madhu, Tulsi and Haldi. Kofol fights both dry and wet cough, soothes sore throats and keeps you feeling great. It's non-drowsy, alcohol-free and perfect for everyone, even kids. From the Ayurvedic expertise of Charak Pharma, trusted since 1947. Never miss a day with Kofol has wide range of products including syrup, gargle, kadha and immunity tablets to keep cough and sore throats away this winter. So use the code KOFOL20 for 20% off. Never miss a day with Kofol. Yay!